Welcome back, friends, to Easy Study Academy. Myself Patan Altaf. Now, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the carbon resistors. So, this is a very small component which provides you purpose of resistance in the circuit. In case of large resistors, they can provide it, or on that resistor it is clearly mentioned the value of resistance, which you can see easily. But carbon resistors are very small in size, so once we can mention its value on that resistor, it's going to quite difficult. So to overcome that drawback, carbon resistor is provided with several bands on it. As you can see here, there are provided with 4 bands. First 2 bands indicates the first 2 digit. The third band indicates number of zeros behind that digit, and our last band indicates tolerance, means the permissible deviation in the resistance value. So before going to this, you have to remember a couple of things like color code for resistance value. There are different kinds of color. Each color is having a specified number of value, means color 2 defines red color, number 3 defines orange color, number 4 defines yellow color. Similarly, number 9 defines white color. You can remember this number in this trick, that is BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. So this is a trick to remember the color. It means black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray and white. So just remember this trick, you can easily get this color with their coding. So, and one more thing is that the color code for tolerance, as we mentioned above, our last digit is defining the tolerance value, means our last band is having a gold color, then tolerance value is plus or minus 5%. If it is having silver color, then tolerance value plus or minus 10%. If no color is provided there, then the value is plus or minus 20%. So let's see one example. So in this example, suppose our band A is having a orange color, band B is having a red color, band C having yellow color, and band D having a silver color. So for band A, color is orange. So which number defines orange? Here number 3 defines our orange color. So our first digit is 3. Our second band is having of red color. So which number defines red color? Number 2 defines a red color. So we can get our first two numbers, that is 3 and 2, and our third band, which is having a yellow color, and number 4 defines the yellow color, means behind 32 having a 4 zeros, behind 32 having a 4 zeros. If instead of yellow it is provided with green color, then after 32 we are mentioning the 5 zeros after 32. So what value of resistance we obtain here is 3,20,000 ohm, and our last band, that is a band D, which is also called as a tolerance band, is provided with silver color, and for silver color the tolerance value is plus or minus 10%. For silver color, plus or minus is 10%. So by this way we can find out the value of resistor by using a color coding method. Also in competitive exams, the MCQ questions are also asked on this topic. So I can mention the similar question, that is what will be the resistance value corresponding to the color code brown, black, red. Means here first three bands are given, means band A, band B, band C. Band A and B gives our first two digit and band C gives our number of zeros added behind first two digits. Here in this question the color for band fourth band is not given, means uh, for no color we know the tolerance value plus or minus 20%, so it is clear. Let's see for first three bands. Our first band is having a brown color, so for which number defines brown color? Here number 1 defines brown color, so we get first digit as number 1. Next is second band is black, so number 0 defines black, so we get first two digits, that is 0 and 1, that is 10. Now third band, for third band number 2 defines third band, and third band means number of zeros, so our first two digit is 10 and then 20, means it is having a means we are getting value of 1 kilo ohm, so our option number 2 is correct here. So by this way we can find out the value of resistance of a given resistor by color coding method. So if you not subscribe the channel, then subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon. This is Patan Altaf signing off.